city's moving forward with court proceedings as Mayor Adams looks to suspend the right to shelter mandate.
But that move is facing backlash from many critics. Fox 5's Lissette Nuñez is outside of the Migrant Arrival Center at the Roosevelt Hotel. This is in Midtown. Lissette, what do we know this morning?
Good morning, Roseanne and Bianca. Mayor Adams is pushing back on that criticism, but he's not the first New York City mayor to try to make changes to the New York City's right to shelter law. However, no one has been successful with that.
The message has been clear. New York has done its share, and we want to go in court and have clarity. That's what we're asking for.
Mayor Adams speaking out after the city began court proceedings to suspend New York City's right to shelter law. In a letter to the judge, the city is asking to weaken a more than 40-year-old court ruling that mandates New York City provide shelter to anyone who requests it. The city citing the overwhelming influx of migrants. The Big Apple has welcomed over 70,000 asylum seekers since last year and can't keep up with the surge.
No mayor in the history of New York had to deal with the number of people in our shelter system like me.
Many advocates and city council members are firing back. They say the right to shelter law is what has kept homeless New Yorkers off the streets, and were quick to criticize the mayor's actions.
I am shaken up by any announcement about rolling back and half-stepping all of the efforts that many people here have made to get us to where we are today. The right to shelter is a simple language that says no one should have to be in the streets. And while we're doing that, we raise the bar on what it means to be housed, on what it means to be dignified, on what it means to be a compassionate city.
However, the city says it's not looking to end the law.
It's not a question of legal risk. It's a question of the ability it's doing the responsible thing now before the entire system buckles. And it is looking for areas of flexibility where the mayor, as the executive branch, is not hamstrung unnecessarily by a 40-plus-year-old judicial order.
As this latest legal challenge plays out, Governor Hochul is looking at where else asylum seekers can be temporarily housed.
SUNY campuses are part of the inventory of what we're looking at, as well as, closed facilities, closed psychiatric centers, large parks, parking lots.
And Governor Hochul did set aside $1 billion in the state budget to deal with the migrant crisis. But for some perspective here, the city's budget director says that would only cover about 5 months worth of the city's spending. We're live in Midtown. Roseanne and Bianca will send things back inside.
All right. Thank you for that update.